Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to start Shopify dropshipping from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner, using the most updated process for 2026. Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to start an online business because you don't need to hold inventory or ship products yourself. So, yeah, let's break it down in a simple and realistic way. First, you need a Shopify store. Go to the Shopify website, start a free trial, and create your account using an email and password. Once you log in, you'll see the Shopify dashboard, which is basically the control center of your store. Next, choose a niche. This means deciding what type of products you want to sell. Focus on products that solve a problem, have clear demand, and are easy to market. Yeah, random products usually don't work long term. Now it's time to find products. Most beginners use dropshipping apps like DSers or similar tools that connect Shopify with suppliers. These apps allow you to browse products, check pricing, and import items directly into your store. When choosing a product, look for good images, clear descriptions, and reliable shipping options. Avoid products with extremely long delivery times because customers care a lot about shipping speed. After importing a product, customize it. Edit the product title and description so it looks professional and trustworthy. Focus on benefits, not just features. Explain why someone should buy this product and how it helps them. Next, design your Shopify store. Choose a clean, mobile-friendly theme. Add a simple logo, homepage banner, and highlight your main product or collections. Yeah, simple and clear stores usually convert better than complicated ones. Now set up payments. Enable Shopify payments, PayPal, or other available payment options. This allows customers to pay you securely using cards or local methods. Then configure shipping settings, set clear shipping rates, and delivery expectations. Being honest about shipping times helps build trust and reduces refunds. Before launching, test your store, open your product pages, add items to the cart, and go through the checkout process like a real customer. This helps you catch issues early. Once everything looks good, remove the password protection and make your store live. At this point, your dropshipping store is officially ready. The final part is marketing. Most dropshipping stores use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok ads to drive traffic. Start with a small budget, test creatives, and focus on learning what works. Yeah, testing is the key to success here. So yeah, that's how to start Shopify dropshipping step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify and dropshipping tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.